Somewhere in Africa, there's a tree that bleeds like a living creature. Locals call it the blood tree, because when you cut it, it actually bleeds red. But that isn't blood. It's a rare red sap that scientists discovered contains compounds almost identical to human plasma. The tree's name? Pterocarpus angolensis. It's one of nature's strangest lookalikes, a plant that mimics flesh and blood. It's as if nature created its own living being, reminding us that life runs deeper than what we see. And the craziest part? This tree's blood might one day be used in real medicine, for wound healing and natural dyes. If this story shook your mind, subscribe, because the next one will change it.